Hello, I'm Joshua, and I'm an aspiring voice actor. This game series, Pokemon, has been around since 1998 when it was released in the US, and it is still missing one important thing: voice acting. So I decided to change that. In the mainline Pokemon games, your player will encounter different kinds of trainers along your journey. I wanted to come up with what I think each kind would sound like. Which type did I start with? The hiker. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to focus on the dialogue the hikers say in the first generation of the Pokemon games. I've linked the source of the script in the description box below. That is also where all my social media links are. So I'm going to play around with my voice and figure out what I think the hiker would sound like. Enjoy these awkward sounds that you're about to hear. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Whoa, you shocked me. Oh, you're just a kid. Wow, shocked again. Kids like you shouldn't be here. I just got down from Mount Moon, but I'm ready. You work hard. Drat, a Zubat bit me back in there. You're going to see Bill? First, let's fight. You're something. The trail below is a shortcut to Cerulean City. I'm off to see a Pokemon collector at the Cape. You got me. The collector has many rare kinds of Pokemon. Great. I was bored, eh? Keep it coming, eh? Oh, wait. I'm out of Pokemon. You sure had guts standing up to me there, eh? Ha 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 ha. Aren't you a little toughy? What's that? Kids should be tough. Come on, dude. You beat me fair. Us hardy guys always laugh. My Pokemon techniques will leave you crying. I give, you're a better technician. In mountains, you'll often find rock-type Pokemon. Hit me with your best shot. Fired away. I'll raise my Pokemon to beat yours, kid. This tunnel goes a long way, kid. Don't! You won! Watch for Onix. It can put the squeeze on you. So that is what I think the hiker would sound like in the first generation of Pokemon games. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please click that like and subscribe. You can also find me on all the socials I have linked below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.